artificial intelligence is no longer sci-fi, it's the engine driving our future. From optimizing supply chains and powering personalized medicine to creating new forms of art and solving complex scientific puzzles, AI's ability to learn and adapt is reshaping every industry. It promises to enhance human capabilities and tackle challenges previously deemed insurmountable, fundamentally altering how we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Beyond the binary world, quantum computing is emerging as a revolutionary force. Harnessing the bizarre principles of quantum mechanics, these machines will solve problems intractable for even the most powerful supercomputers. Imagine breakthroughs in drug discovery, advanced materials science, and cryptography that could secure our data or break existing encryptions. This technology holds the key to unlocking entirely new frontiers of scientific understanding and technological advancement, pushing the boundaries of what's computationally possible. CRISPR gene editing technology is literally rewriting the code of life. This powerful tool allows scientists to precisely modify DNA, offering unprecedented potential to cure genetic diseases like cystic fibrosis or sickle cell anemia. Beyond human health, it promises to create more resilient crops, combat pests, and even revive endangered species. While raising significant ethical questions, gene editing stands as one of the most profound biological innovations, promising to reshape medicine, agriculture, and our understanding of life itself. Imagine a world powered by clean, virtually limitless energy. Nuclear fusion, the process that fuels the sun, is moving closer to becoming a reality on Earth. Unlike fission, fusion promises minimal radioactive waste and no risk of meltdown, offering a sustainable solution to climate change and global energy demands. While still facing significant engineering hurdles, the successful harnessing of fusion power would revolutionize our energy landscape, providing humanity with a clean, abundant power source for millennia, transforming industries and economies worldwide. Brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, are bridging the gap between mind and machine. These devices allow direct communication between the brain and external technology, offering incredible possibilities for restoring lost senses or movement for individuals with paralysis or neurological disorders. Beyond medical applications, BCIs could eventually augment human cognition, allowing us to interact with digital information instantaneously or even share thoughts. This deeply personal technology has the potential to redefine human experience and intelligence, fundamentally altering our relationship with technology and ourselves. The next generation of robotics and automation is moving beyond simple assembly lines. We are seeing intelligent, collaborative robots capable of performing complex tasks in dangerous environments, assisting in elder care, or even exploring other planets. These advanced machines will work alongside humans, augmenting our capabilities and freeing us from repetitive or hazardous labor. While raising questions about the future of work, this evolution promises increased efficiency, safety, and productivity across countless sectors, driving innovation and reshaping global industries and daily life.